Again, if you're just watching this channel, what we do here is educational videos on forex and how to trade and how to analyze most of the times. But if you want to get more tutorials, if you want to get more lessons, if you want to understand the full concept of trading, you can as well DM me for the tutorial. Right, so guys, if you're in our Telegram channel, you would see when I drop the signal on AUD USD today and what it was about to display. So guys, simply I'm going to be showing you guys why this trade was successful and why it was able to go in our favor, or in my prediction, or according to what I analyze. Understand? So like I said, what we do here is educational things only. So I'm going to be showing you what happened and why it happened that way. All right, so let's just go straight. As you can see, I'm on 5 minutes time frame. I'm on AUD. So let me go to a higher time frame so I can open the view of the market for you. All right, right now, as you can see here, I'm on a 1 hour time frame now. So now, from what we can see, all this zone like this now, as you can see, the market made a very massive push here and got to this point, which it created a resistance zone there. I've already indicated that there. So this point here became a resistance zone, which market then dropped from here to this point here. As you can see, it dropped from this point here to this point here. As you can see, this was where the trade, I gave a buy on this some few days back, but the trade hit our SL based on that stuff I usually tell you guys about liquidity grabbing. Whenever you see market coming back to a zone like this, don't be in a hurry to grab the re-entry or the change in market structure. Let me take this thing out so you can see what I'm saying. Now, some beginners trader, whenever they see that market have start coming back from this way, they'll be in a hurry to place a buy here without even waiting for a full confirmation. Now let me show you what a full confirmation was. This was what we missed out on and it hit our SO before reversing up. Let me show you what a full confirmation is. Now a full confirmation is this you're seeing here, this candlestick you're seeing here. As you can see, this candlestick ended with a very long wick. This is indicating that buying momentum is taking pressure. You understand? Now what happened here was that some early traders would come and put their buy order here. Some early traders will put their buy order here when the market is about to reverse or change structure. Some early traders will put their buy order here. They will do something like this. Some early traders will do something like this because they've already marked out the zone, so they'll put their buy order at that zone. But this POI here is not valid. The reason being that there is no confirmation. POI means point of interest, points where you're interested in taking any trade. Do you understand? Now let me replay this thing and show you what I'm saying. So I'm going to replay it from this point here. Okay, now let me put it on. Okay, this is okay. So now look at this, guys. Now most traders, they are going to take their buy here thinking that yes, market is going to come in their favor because they are now seeing a kind of rejection at this zone. But this is really wrong, guys. This is really wrong. Take note, whenever you see something like this, whenever you're seeing this candle wicks, you know there are other liquidities here at this zone that market needs to grab. You understand? Like I said in my previous video, I always tell you guys to trade like the bank. Whenever you see something like this, do not rush to put your entry here. Instead, that point where you think your SLE should be your entry. Now look at what the market did. This was the mistake I did. In fact, this thing skipped my mind because when I dropped this signal, I dropped it really late. You understand? I dropped the signal late at night, so I wasn't really sure of, or should I say I was sleeping when I even did the analysis. Understood? So that was where the mistake came in. So this was what the market did. Let me play it out and show you. So watch this. Now see what the market did. Now look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? Market came down and grabbed the whole liquidity at this zone from here like this. Market grabbed this whole liquidity from this zone. As you can see, it grabbed the liquidity now. Now at this point, you can know that your POI has been confirmed. Then at this point, this is where you want to take your buy entries from. You get? Then let's watch what the market does after then. You see, it doesn't come down again. Just watch. It doesn't come down again. It just keeps on going up and up and up and up. And that's how it just keeps on going. You understand? So that's just it, guys. That's it, guys. You see, the market went there, smashed our TP. So now let me tell you how we were successful on our trade today for AUD sell. Understand? On the AUD USD, the selling position we took, how we were profitable today, guys. So I'm going to be showing you how I did it and what the analysis was all about. Now we've seen market playing this now. You see, market played this, and when it got to this one, it gave us a double top, indicating that this is a selling zone. You understand? That same thing that happened here. If you look well, let me take away this stuff here. That same thing that happened there, that same thing that displayed here, when market came to take down this liquidity, it also occurred here. Market came to this zone here and took out the liquidity. Let me remove this selling signal. As you can see, market took out the liquidity by that wick you're seeing here. That wick is showing you that market pushed up and cover up all the liquidity in this zone. Understand? Market actually pushed up there and cover all the liquidity in this zone. Now early traders now would want to take their selling order here, and the market will fake them out by doing this thing. When it does it, it will grab all the liquidity and come down. When I noticed this, that was when I told my community that we should go for a sell. Now let me go back to a lower time frame so you can see what I'm saying. Let me go to a lower time frame so you can see and understand what I am saying, guys. Okay, now you can see it here. You can see it here. Remember what I told you guys from the first part. Remember what I told you guys from our previous video. Whenever you see something like this here, this resistance zone, and you see market doing this thing, that it does now. Let me show you. And you see market doing this thing. You see this stuff here. Don't be in a hurry to take your sell here, because what market is about to do is that it's trying to confirm if there's any validation on this zone here. Do you understand? Now market will do this. It will push and come down here, and from here it will then go up again. Then come down. I told you guys this in our previous video. Whenever I see market gets to a zone, let's say this is a zone like this. This is a zone here, and this is another zone here. Please watch carefully and understand this thing so you don't make mistake. And this is another zone here. Now if market is moving inside like this, are you saying if market is moving inside like this and it happens to do something like this, or it happens to break out, now whenever it gets to it will break out to a zone, then come back to retest that same zone. You understand? Market will always come back to retest that same zone which it broke out from. Do you get? Before entering the formal confirmation. That is exactly what occurred here. You understand? That's exactly what occurred here. So always look out for that whenever you're trading, guys. Always look out for that. All right, so you don't make that mistake when trading. Okay, so now this was what happened, how this zone here, this sell zone was confirmed. Actually, I actually made the analysis from a 3 minutes time frame to actually know the correct entry point. You understand? As you can see, this zone here was the first support. As you can see, this is the second support and this is the third support. Now when market came up to this point, which I told you guys about, it grabbed all the liquidity, and to show you that this POI was confirmed or valid, there was an engulfing candlestick. As you can see here, this is an engulfing candlestick. It has no wick at the opening, same as this here. So this was where when I saw this, I had to wait for another confirmation, a new candle to open. When this new candle opened at this point here, that was when I asked my community to take a sell on this trade. Understand? This was where we took our sell from. From this zone here, and this was our TP according to the levels which are there. This was TP1, TP2 and TP3. Do you understand? TP1, TP2 and TP3, and it went in our favor, even crossed. You know the amazing thing about this, it crossed and went back to the initial support. Check this out. This is massive, guys. This is over 100 pips. Check this out. This is over 100 pips. If I should calculate it now and show you, this is over 100 pips. Look at this from here, now going down to the point where this market started from. Let me do it again so you can see. This is over 100 pips, guys. This is over 100 pips. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you join our Telegram channel so you don't miss out on signals like this. This is okay, 70. This is over 100 pips. This is 100, and see here, as you can see, 107. That's 107 here. Are you seeing it? 107. This is 107 pips movement, guys. So that's massive. So guys, if you find this video very, very helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, comment, and also join our Telegram community so you get more free signals and trade just as we do. All right, Nobody is perfect. This is not a financial advice. Most time in trading, these things doesn't always occur. Whenever you see it, like, you have to be very very sure if it's valid to go or not. So until I see you guys next time, I remain BDFX. You all should stay safe there.